Accelerated Math Objective 120. Word problem. Compare metric units of length, mass, or capacity using decimal amounts. Alright, we have question number 51. Deidre works in a deli. She has already sliced 5 8/10 kilograms of sandwich meat. She still has 5,500 grams of meat to slice. How much of the job has she completed? Alright, so this is what she's done. Alright, this is what she has left. And we need to put, which one's bigger? Now we need to put greater than, less than, or equal to. Now before we can compare these two numbers, we need to make sure the units are the same, and the units are not the same. So we can either change the 5.8 kilograms and change them into grams, or we can go over here and we can change the grams into kilograms. So we need to ask ourselves, how many grams are in 1 kilogram? Well, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Alright, now if we go from large units like kilograms and we multiply them to make them become smaller units, we'll have a larger number, and vice versa. If we go over to smaller units and we want to convert them into larger units, we would divide. So we would either divide this by 1,000 or multiply this by 1,000. I think the easiest thing for me to do would be to multiply this by 1,000. So I'm going to take 1,000, 5.8, and I'm going to show you a quick rule. We have our decimal right here. We have 3 zeros, and since we're multiplying by 1,000, the number will get bigger, so the decimal would move to the right. Now I know that 5 times 1,000 would be 5,000. So I need to figure out what the rest of the number is going to look like. Since I have 3 zeros in 1,000, I'm just going to move my decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So my decimal's here at the end. I fill in those empty spots with 0, and my decimal becomes a comma because it's now at the end. So I have 5,800. Alright, so now I have the number 5,800, and those aren't kilograms anymore, those are grams. And we're going to compare 5,500 grams. Which one's the bigger number? The mouth always eats the larger number. So we need to go back and ask ourselves, how much of the job has she completed? Okay, 5,800 is more than 5,500, so she has completed more than half the job. Because this is what she has left, this is what she has complete. This number is bigger than this number, which means answer C.